Alright folks, welcome to this video where Jamie Palmer, my past guest on the show, is going to attempt to double a $100 account in a 3-hour trading session on a random day. Okay, so you guys aren't going to have to watch the 3 hours. He's done it, he's condensed it down into about a 20-odd minute video. So you guys are going to get the best parts of his 3-hour session, the thinking behind it, the risk management, the trade entries, exits, all of that kind of stuff. And you're going to see how he goes about trying to double this account in such a short period of time. So a great little challenge, a great little video. If you want to find out more from Jamie after the show, then click the link underneath the video here. Enough from me, let's get on with it. As you'll know, as a trader, one of the biggest issues can be coming up with enough capital to make it worthwhile. Well, the good news is my sponsor, City Traders Imperium, have solved this problem for you. Their day trading and swing trading funding programs mean you can trade between 10,000 and 4 million in capital with up to 100% profit share. Yes, you get everything you make on the account. Plus, the folks at CTI have made it super stress-free, allowing you up to 6 months to pass the funding challenge, which means if life gets in the way, you can park things for a while and stick to your trading plan. To check them out, click the link in the description below or in the card above.
Hi everyone, it's Jamie Palmer from the Binary Destroyer Indicator. Now this video is going to be exclusively for Cam and his YouTube channel, The Trading Nut. Now Cam reached out to me a couple of weeks ago and asked if I can do a live trading session with my indicator, the Binary Destroyer, showing everyone how well it performs on a live market. But the problem with doing live webinar Zooms or Skypes or anything like that is you don't necessarily know how many setups you're going to get in that time period. You know, I could sit here for an hour on a Zoom call and it could be the best trading session you've ever seen. We can get back-to-back setups and we can triple our account, or it can be completely boring, right, and get no setups at all. So I thought I would do something a little bit different. So in this video, I'm going to try and double this account in less than 3 or 4 hours. Okay, so I've set up a brand new £100 trading account. As you can see here, I started it on the 4th of August. Today is the 4th of August, and I want to try and flip it in the next 3 or 4 hours. So I thought I'd make it a bit interesting, a bit exciting. Now, I'm not going to sit on record for the next 3 or 4 hours. What I'll do is I will get a setup, I'll press play, explain the reasons why I'm taking it, you know, where's my stop loss, where's my entry point, and then we'll do it like that. Now, this is going to be very interesting because when it comes to trading, there's two kinds of skills you need to learn. First of all, the strategy and when you enter a trade. Okay, this is something that everyone just focuses on. It's all about the strategy, finding a profitable strategy, you know, just win, 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 win. Yes, it's all about your strategy and entry point, but also you need to know what to do when you're in a trade. How do you manage that? Where's your stop loss? Where's your take profit? What do you do if the trade is reversing on you? What do you do if the trade's going massively into profit? Do you close it off early? Do you use the trailing stop loss? Do you close off a percentage of it? This is something that you have to learn. So I thought it'd be very interesting to do it in today's video and show you, so hopefully you can get something from it. Now, when you trade small accounts or try and build small accounts, you have to be a bit more aggressive with your money management, and you have to have a bit more risk involved. And the reason being is because if you have a large trading account, right, it's easy to just set a 1% stop loss, 1% take profit, and let the trade do what it wants. Because, you know, 1% of a large trading account could be a large amount of money. It could be enough to pay your bills for the entire month. But when you've got a £100 trading account, making 1%, which is £1, not really going to do a lot. It's not going to help build your account up. But nobody wants to sit there for 2 or 3 hours and make £2, right? In reality, £2 is 2%, which is good. You know, you made 2% a day. It's amazing, right? But that ain't going to build account up. It's going to take you quite a long time. So you got to be a bit more aggressive with your trading. So everything I do in today's video, take it from, you know, I've been trading for 7-8 years now with my indicator. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to be a bit more aggressive. I want to try and double the account as fast as I can. Okay. So I will be taking large amount of risk, which I do not recommend you doing, but it will make an interesting video. Okay. So let's go. Now, first of all, I was on up gold, wasn't I? Gold. Yes, I might take this trade on gold. I'm waiting for a Mogwai signal on gold. Come on, give me a Mogwai signal. Give me a Mogwai signal. Let's have a look at the... Yes, I've got a Mogwai signal 1 minute time frame. This is it. This is the trade that I've been looking for for basically the last hour. Okay, XAU, USD. Okay, I'm literally going to stack the hell out of this. Okay, like I said, that's it. That's as many trades I can take. Now, oh, nice. Dropped nicely into money. First trade. What was I saying, right? Unfortunately, because I have a small trading account, I can't trade US 30. Look at this beautiful sell on US 30. And I've been watching this for literally the past hour. And I was like, just watching it drop. And I knew if I was going to do this YouTube video and try and flip a £100 trading account, I can't trade US 30 because it won't let me. You need a large account to trade this. And unfortunately, this is one of those trades that you look at and think, I can't literally do anything about it. But what I can trade is gold. Now, I've been eyeing up gold for the past hour because gold has come up to the 1 hour resistance. Okay, now what I'm basically doing is I'm trading the binary destroyer on the 1 minute time frame, and I'm scalping the market. 5, 10 pip stop loss, 5, 10, 20, 15, whatever pip take profit. I'm a scalper. So I'm going to sit here. I'm going to physically watch my charts, watch my trades. Okay, now gold has come up to the 1 hour time frame, which is good because I know when we come up to this level, we're going to get a rejection. We're not necessarily going to, you know, bounce off it and go into a downtrend, but we're going to bounce off it. And when you go to the 1 minute time frame, you can see that bounce move. Okay, MACD has gone overbought. The TCA line, by the way, is that green and red line. So if it's green, it's an uptrend. If it's red, it's a downtrend. Let me just get rid of that band, and you can see. So currently right now, okay, it's down. Okay, so it's red. So we've got Mogwai signal, MACD has gone overbought, MACD has crossed over, price is below the TCA line's red. It lines up perfectly with the 1 hour resistance. Okay, good combination. My target on this is at the bottom of the zone here. Now, what's interesting is I've been taking a few trades with the BD members before I made this video. We had a trading session earlier today. Yeah, I took this nice little buy here. And like I said, right, when you trade, you got to know your targets and levels, okay? Stop loss is always below the support and resistance, which is there. For instance, here, that's a 5 pip stop loss, and that is around a 15 pip take profit, okay? Always target the next top or bottom of the bands, all right? That's what I do. Like here, give you an example here, stop loss of around 10 pips, take profit, 18 pips, okay? That's how I trade the binary destroyer, in and out scalping. There was another trade on Aussie US dollar. Here we go. Here, Aussie US dollar. We had this nice little Mogwai. Oh, I didn't mark it up. We had a nice little Mogwai signal here. MACD had gone overbought. Now, normally you look at that and go, well, I'll take the trade, Jamie. My strategy has given me an entry point. Yeah, it might have done on the 1 minute time frame, but if we just bring up the price action now on the let's have a quick look at the 15-minute charts. Where is the support area on this zone here? Okay, there. That's better. Just here. There. That is the support line on Aussie US dollar. So if you've been, well, you wouldn't have known because this is a different YouTube channel, but I've been talking a lot about support and resistance, right? Here is, let me just bring up my charts here. Here, right, price is bounced off a resistance. And what it's doing is it's trending down like this here to the support line. Right? So you don't take trades in no man's land, right? You take trades at the top here and ride the trend down. So where would I be looking for a buy trade if there was a buy? Here. I'll be looking for a buy trade here at this support line. Okay? Not where the binary destroyer has said. Okay? And again, that just comes down to, I would say common sense. You know, it's just look at the bigger time frame. Okay, I mean, you look at the 15-minute charts, we had a bounce right off that resistance. So if I'm on the 15-minute charts, I'd be in a sell right now, okay, targeting the bottom of this zone, okay? So when you look at this on the 1 minute time frame, you kind of think maybe not the best trade to take. Let me have a quick look on gold. Okay, so gold, I've been really eyeing up gold for the last few hours, okay? So gold's dropping nicely. If there's one trade, right, by the way, that is going to give me a chance of doubling my account, is this one, because gold moves very fast, right? The pips are very good. Give you an example here, right? The pips currently on gold, I'm currently 80 pips, oh no, here you go, 100 pips, 106 pips, 105, 106, 110. See how quick gold moves. Now, apart from gold moving very fast, it can also move very fast against you, right? So the only time I will take trades on gold is if I'm pretty confident we're gonna win the trade, right? Now, when I've got a 1 hour resistance in my favor, well, it gives me the best possible chance of winning. Now, yeah, I'm currently 5% up in profit. So 5%, 6%. Now, this is good, okay? Because this is giving me profit now, which I can now risk. And it will also give me more of an account size to double up on my trades. So this is good. My first trade on gold, I've been waiting for this for literally the last hour. So I might actually hold this trade. And we'll see what happens, okay? So what I'll do is I will update you in the next few minutes. First trade on gold is a winner. Let's see if we can double this account in the next 2 hours. Okay, I'm back. And this is the interesting part, because normally this is where I take profit, okay? Obviously I have my stop loss here. I've got my take profit at the bottom of the zone here. The trade won. Now, unfortunately, right, I'm going to have to be a bit more risky. And this is one thing I want you to remember, okay? Everything I do here is high risk. You notice I haven't set a stop loss or take profit because I'm physically managing my trades. Normally, I'd set my stop loss above here somewhere, target the bottom of the zone. I'd be in and out of the trade by now. I'm going to have to push this trade now to see if I can get the most amount of pips. I'm currently up, by the way, 15%. I'm currently up 15%. So if I can get around 20 to 30% gain, that would be perfect, because I mean, you know, that's good. Okay, it gets me into to start trading the profit, because the next trade I take, I'll be trading or risking the profits. Okay, meaning that if I risk, you know, if I made £30 off gold, give an example here, and I risk £10 on the next trade with a £10 pip stop loss, doesn't matter, okay? Because I've not lost my initial capital. I'm only risking my profit, which is how you should trade long term, okay? Always try and risk the profit that you're making rather than the actual capital, because if you don't, and you don't use a stop loss, trust me, it will end very, very fast. So quickly, I'm just going to use some price action now. I want to see where I want to target zone. So I'm going to go over to the 1 hour. Now this is interesting because 1 hour is showing me a area of support just there. Okay, so I'm going to target the bottom of the zone there, which is another 25 pips. Okay, see what I'm doing? Breaking it down. Where's my stop loss? Where's my target area? So yeah, I'm just going to keep an eye on gold. There's my area just here. There's that support line. See that support just there? So this is my target on gold. We're currently around 16% or £16. In the meantime, I'm going to be looking for some more setups. USD CAD's going to hit my target. Well, if I took a trade on USD CAD's about to hit my target. So I'm not likely to get another setup on USD CAD anytime soon, because I've just hit my target on that one. USD 30 hit the target. So there you go there. That target would have got hit. USD JPY. Well, USD JPY is just in a strong downtrend. This is when you would tend to not trade, because obviously we're in a strong downtrend. You know, we've got multiple Mogwai signals, and the reason why a lot of these trades are losing is because if we just go over to the 1 hour time frame, okay, why is that happening? Okay, well, we've got an area of resistance just here. Okay, so what did I say previously? Where's price going to trend to? The next area of support, which is there. Okay, so you're looking to take buys from this level, not where price is currently at. USD Chef, again, same. Oh, USD Chef though. USD Chef is, I know price is coming up to a support zone. Let me just quickly bring up the price action. And let's go over to the 1 minute time frame. Here we go here. See, I've been eyeing up USD Chef, and price has come right up into this zone just there. Even on the 15 minute, let's see what the 1 hour is saying. Yeah, you see that 1 hour zone just there? So maybe a possible buy happening right now. If we go back to the 1 minute time frame and I load up the binary destroyer, we could be getting a possible buy. Okay. Oh, here we go here. We're slow. What I'm going to do, by the way, is I'm going to close off what's gold saying. Let me see what gold's saying at the minute. Do I want to hold gold? Do I want to hold gold? But the problem is, if I hold gold, that is literally just going to be one video in one trade on gold, because I don't think I can take another trade because I haven't got enough. I haven't got enough free margin. So I've got £26 free margin. I'm probably going to, let's see what happens. I'm going to sit here for a few more minutes. Let me see. First of all, Let me see if USD Chef pops a signal. Okay, what was it? It was USD Chef, wasn't it? Let's see if USD Chef pops a signal at this level. If it does, then I'll look to take a buy trade, maybe close off some of the gold trades. We'll see what happens. Okay, so I'll come straight back. Hi, I'm back, everyone. I should have filmed it, but what I've basically done now is I've closed off. I just can't remember now. I've closed off 3 trades. So I've closed off 3 trades now, which is good because that's going to give me the margin I need to take a buy on USD Chef. And I think the buy and sure is just giving me a buy on USD Chef. No, it hasn't. It's giving me a something else on. Oh, telling me USD Chef's entered the buy zone. Okay, which is good. Okay, see, coming to the buy zone now, which is good. So I've currently closed some trades off already on gold. I'm currently up around 8%, £8. It's not bad. And I've still got 3 trades left open. I'm still got an active 7% open as well. So what I might do is just sit here and manually watch gold, see what it does. I've been eyeing up gold on the price action, just seeing what it does. At the minute, we are, well, currently at the minute, we're sitting at this level here. But hopefully we break below this level. This is what I want to see. I really want to see gold break below this level, because that's the target area at the bottom there. Okay, it's giving me another. It's giving me another sell, another signal on USD Chef, telling me USD Chef's entered the buy zone. Let me just quickly bring up price action again, and I want to see if we are definitely, yeah, we're definitely out of that resistance area, aren't we? We're definitely there. Look at it. Or support area. We're definitely there. So I am going to look for buys at this level now. Go back to 1 minute time frame. Okay, we are going to see MACD's just started to cross over now, which is good. So I want to see what's gold still saying. Okay, well, gold's struggling at this level, isn't it? Ooh. So yeah, very soon possible buy on USD Chef. Possible buy. So yeah, gold's pushing up, which is not good. So yeah, what I'll do again is I'll come back in the next 5 or 10 minutes. Hopefully we get a buy at this level now and I can take another trade. So I'll be straight back. Right, I'm back. So what was I saying? USD Chef's giving me a buy signal. As you can see there, USD Chef signal up. So I need to jump in this really, really fast. USD Chef. And again, I'm literally... money management here, I don't know, even if it exists. I can literally take one trade. I'm going to close some of these off early. In fact, I'll close 2 of them off and it's going to give me the buy. There we go there. Here we are there. So literally I'm maxing out as many trades as I can take. Let's have a quick look on gold, because I've still got 1 sell open on gold. Okay, nice. It's come down to that support line. Nice, great. The question is though, do I want to hold it at this level? Do I want to hold it? Yeah, I'm going to hold this. I'm going to hold gold because literally I've only got 1 trade open. So it is. Oh, here we go. We closed below it, which is good. So currently I've banked so far 12% gain. It doesn't even tell me my gain. Does it tell me my gain? Sorry about that. I have this little puppy. I don't know if you can see, and she literally barks at me, or barks at everyone that makes a noise. Nala, come here. Nala, come here. See it? There she is. Say hello to everyone. My little she's like a dash hound cross Jack Russell. Right, go on. Right, anyway, so update. Gold, perfect. Gold's perfect at the minute, okay? Gold has dropped nicely. You know, sometimes, you know, when you take a trade and you sit there and you think, maybe I should just left the trade to do what it did. I had my target lined out, but, you know, this is trading for you, okay? I'm probably going to close this trade off early now. See how we're dropping down? I'm going to close gold off there now. Gone. Okay, so currently right now, gold's paid off perfectly. I made a nice little 16% gain. And we've currently got those buys on USD Chef. So get rid of gold now. If anything, I'll be looking for a buy on gold now. We're looking for a nice little buy on gold. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? I wonder where the next target is for gold. Let's see if we can take gold back up. Let's keep an eye on gold. USD Chef. Okay, so USD Chef's pulled back slightly. It's not to worry. Okay, I'm not really bothered about USD Chef at the minute, because I know On both gold and both USD Chef, we're sitting at the 1 hour support and resistance level, which is good. Okay, I know we're there, which is perfect, right? It gives me the confidence to say, well, you know, we're going to get a bounce from it. We're going to get at least 5, 10, 15, 20 pips out of the trade. That is it, really. USD CAD, there isn't really much else. Oh, I wonder if I can trade Bitcoin. No, I can't really trade Bitcoin. Let's see what Bitcoin's saying. Bitcoin, maybe one setup there. Apart from that, nothing really else. But I don't really trade Bitcoin anyway. GPUSD. Okay, GPUSD. I've got a nice little sell on GPUSD. No, I don't want to take that one because we're in the middle of no man's land. I'm not taking that one. To be honest with you, everyone, that is probably it for the next maybe hour and a half. Really, I mean, I got one trade open, which is USD Chef. We're pulling back slightly, but I'm not really bothered because this is my area just here. By the way, just to what I'll do is I'll set a stop loss of this anyway. So I'm going to set a stop loss. I'm going to set a stop loss of 10 pips. Okay, minus 10 pips, and I'll set a stop loss on another one just to protect the account. I won't set a take profit because I'm going to sit there and manually watch the trade. So what I'll do is I'll pause the video and again I'll come straight back. We've currently made 16% on gold, got 2 trades open on USD Chef. I'll come straight back. So update again on these trades. So USD Chef is got up nicely, but this is the downside to currency pairs and small accounts. I'm literally making nothing, like 10 or 20p. Gold, looking at gold now, I should have held because gold's dropped nicely. But that's also a good sign because if gold is dropping, you need to question yourself, where is it dropping to? And then I can take it back up. But what's interesting, right, what's funny, is while I was making this video, I checked one of my trading accounts because I'm actually, hold on, give me a sec. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I'm actually trading. Basically, a BD member reached out to me and said, Jamie, I had a £1,000 account. I'm left with £30. Can you do anything for me? And I said, okay, give me the account. I'll build it back up to £100 for you. I'll actually send you a screenshot of the history of the trading result right now. Take a listen up. Right. I'm gonna send it to me in an email. Sent. Yeah, get this out, right? I thought it was quite funny because I'm sitting here literally trying to double a trading account, you know, live for you. And I took a buy, look, right? So this BD member had £1,000, took it down to £30, gave the account to me on £30, and now I'm currently in 3 trades on Euro USD, and yeah, I'm literally already doubled the account in pretty much 1 trade. Weird, fascinating, isn't it? I just thought I'd tell you that. And by the way, if you're wondering what setup that is, okay, it is, what is it? It was Euro USD. Let me find you that setup on Euro USD, which was the 1 hour charts. So go over to the 1 hour charts. And it was this setup here, okay? Just here. See that nice little break and retouch to the upside? See that? Now what was interesting is we had this nice little break and retouch. See here? Well, also we had this nice little buy here, just there, which is good. But this one here was a nice little retouch. So basically, let me summarize it for you so you can see. We had a resistance, price came up, come back down, came back up, retouched. That would have been a beautiful buy with the trend. Came back up, came back down, retouched it. Oh, gold's giving me a buy signal. Gold's giving me a buy signal. Right, let's have an update. Let's get rid of that. Let's get rid of that. Okay, gold. Okay, gold's giving me a buy signal. Do I want to take this? Let's have a look. Let's see what the 1 hour is saying. Okay, 1 hour is saying... 1 hour is telling me to sell. Five minutes told me to sell. Yeah, you know what? I'm going to take this trade. I'm going to take the trade. This is really kind of out of my comfort zone. But I'm going to take XAU. Because like I said, if there's one trade that is going to make me money, it is going to be gold. Okay. So gold. USD Chef. Let me see what USD Chef's doing. Okay, USD Chef's currently going sideways, so nothing's really happening on there. Let's see what's happening in gold. Okay, so gold has, let me have a quick look at the 15-minute charts, because that's what we're looking at. Okay, so gold has come down to this area just here. Is that a valid support line? I'd probably say more this is. We'll see what happens. I mean, the buy and short has said there's a Mogwai signal. I'll get a few pips out of it. Forget a few pips, it's win. Definitely, in fact, we have got a support line here. That's why the buy and short is giving me a signal, because we've got a 1 hour, 1 minute support line just here. So that kind of what I said earlier about support and resistance, the Mogwai signal appears around support and resistance levels, which is good, good. So yeah, what I'll do is, again, I'll update you very, very shortly. Okay, so this is the downside to trading currency pairs, right? Basically, I've got to close off USD Chef now, because USD Chef, if we go back to the charts, it's pretty much hit my target, the top of the zone. It's hit it. Okay, well, it's thereabouts. So I'm gonna have to close this trade off now. It's finished, it's done, and the profit we have made is like literally 20. Well, I made 40p, 25p, and that's it. Okay, that is it. So currently we are on 8 trades. Okay, we've made 17% gain. We're slowly, and obviously we've got some buys on gold. Let me see what's happening with gold. Let's see what's happening with gold at the minute, because gold's definitely slowing down at this support line, isn't it? You know, I'm going to be a little bit cheeky on this one. This is risky. What I'm about to do is I'm going to leverage another 3 trades. Right, let's take it back up. Let's take it back up. We're just above that TCA line. See how that TCA line's just waiting for that TCA. We're just above that TCA line, and that TCA line has just turned green, or will turn green when that candlestick goes green. So we have got a support line here, but you see, this is the interesting part, is that what I'm doing here, taking a buy, is extremely risky. Okay, because on the 5 minutes it's telling me to sell. Right, I mean, I would have closed off now. On the 15 minutes, it's telling me to sell. On the 30 minutes, it's telling me to sell. Okay, on the 1 hour, it's telling me to sell. Okay, so I want to be selling, not buying. So if I'm going to win a trade here, right, I need to basically get as most amount of pips I can without being greedy. Okay, so there is my target on this one, okay, because that's an area of resistance. So basically 5 or 6 pips on gold, which is about 20-30 pips, okay, at max. And that should get me up to what we at now. What game we at? 17%. We should get to around 25%. We'll see. I mean, see here, we're starting to slowly go into profit. Oh, it's giving me another Mogwai signal. What's it telling me here? USD CAD sell. Okay, so USD CAD's telling me to sell. Okay, what's that telling me on USD Chef? Okay, so USD CAD. Let's look at some price action on USD CAD. Okay, so interesting. USD CAD has come back up to this area of resistance. Problem is, I can't take any sales. I can't take any sales on USD CAD. So I've literally margined and I'm running out of trades. Very high risk. But you can see here, nice little area of resistance. Boom. Price comes down. And in fact, we've actually created a new low on this one here. New low. There's the previous low. There's the high. There's the high. So a nice little selling opportunity there. Definitely would have got a few pips out of it, but unfortunately not for me, because I'm all or nothing on gold at the minute. All or nothing. And like I said, stop loss, obviously I haven't set a stop loss or take profit. I'm going to sit here and manually watch it, and we'll see how we get on. But what I'll do, like I said, is I'll pause the video and I'll come back very shortly. Hi everyone, so update on what's happening. It's been about an hour. Literally went out to the garden, come back. Now, those trades, those buys on gold, let me just find it here. I closed off a little bit early. Okay, I closed off a little bit early, and I massively regret that, because we basically had a back-to-back buy and sell, back-to-back sell and buy on gold. And I closed this off early because you see where I marked this site up here, and I thought, I know what's going to happen. Price is going to come up to this area, create a lower high, and then drop. And then what's happened is prices come straight back up to their level. So there you go, nice little back-to-back setup on gold. So currently right now is I am up 20% on the account. So 20% in less than 2 hours. Not bad. I mean, we've got another hour to go. I mean, today, the time now is 3:18. So we'll carry on for probably just under another hour. See if I can get some more setups. Now, like I said, I really need to be getting setups on gold. That's the only real way that I'm going to be building this account up. Even if I trade currency pairs, look at USD 30. We had that nice little sell, and then we had this nice little buy here. But obviously, there must have some news happened here. USD JPY. Let's have a look at what's happening on USD JPY. Okay, we obviously had a strong downtrend, so nothing really happened since then. USD Chef. Okay, so USD Chef, I might get a buy. Did I take this trade? I can't remember. This might have been that set. I can't remember, to be honest. I honestly can't remember. Let me have a look at the trades that I took. So we have took, buys on USD Chef, sells and buys. So USD Chef must have been these buys here. And then we had some back-to-back. That's frustrating. Back-to-back setups on USD Chef. USD CAD, nothing really happening on USD CAD. USD CAD's been in a strong... Oh, what was that? Something's just giving me a setup. Let's have a look. GPUSD, USD CAD, USD 30, USD JPY, USD Chef. Something just appeared giving me a setup. Ooh, you know what? I'm going to take this. I'm going to take gold back down. I'm literally going to take gold back down now. Sell. There we go there. I'm just literally just going to keep stacking the hell. Right, okay. Okay, oh, nice. Right, so let's quickly, right, you notice how I quickly jumped into sales on gold. Now, the reason why I jumped into sales on gold, okay, well, first of all, I want you to understand we're getting a lot of mogwai signals at this level, okay? Now, that doesn't mean sell, okay? We wait for the TCA line to turn red, okay? We wait for the TCA line to turn red, the MACD crosses over. Patience is important in trading, okay? Don't get excited because you got mogwai signal, like even here, right? Even here, mogwai signal. Did we close above the TCA line? Of course not. Where did we close above the TCA line? Here, okay? Would I take this trade now? No, because we went further down from the arrow, okay? What I'm looking for is this kind of move here. Mogwai signal, TCA line to turn, to change color. So basically, this combination here, right, inside that box there. What we've got here is we've got a mogwai signal, price went sideways, then closed below the TCA line turned red, okay, and then obviously the MACD's crossed over there, okay, and that is and that's pretty much it. Now, the reason why I entered here is because we've come basically back up to the 1 hour resistance. Okay, we basically come straight back up into this 1 hour resistance level. So again, I'm looking for shorts from this level. I am going to be a little bit cautious because of this rejection wick here. So I'm literally just going to to be honest with you, this is probably going to be the last trade of this session. So let's see if we can get 10% out of this trade. That'd be a nice little gain, nice little 10% gain. That would be interesting. And then we can finish it off and say, okay, well, in 3 hours trading, we did 30%. We will see. So yeah, I'll pause the video and I'll come straight back. Okay, so quick update. Gold has dropped nicely now, as you can see. I'm going to close that off there. that is my trading done for today because I don't want to sit here any longer. So There we go there. So in today's trading session, from a £100 trading account, we made a 25% gain. £25 made. Most of the trades were on gold. Obviously, we had a few on USD Chef. Okay, there you go there. All the trades took 25% made. Now, I will tell you two things. First of all, okay, what I did here was extremely high risk. Okay, I monitored the trades. Okay, you will notice I didn't set a stop loss and take profit. If I was trading a larger account, I would do that. The main reason is because I missed a lot of trades. I couldn't take every single trade because I ran out of the account size. I ran out of margin. I couldn't take any more trades. Okay, USD CAD, we missed that buy. US 30, again, I couldn't take that one at the top because the account size was too small. USD Chef, again, we had that nice little buy and that nice little sell. USD JPY, we had that nice little buy just here. The MACD had gone overbought. Aussie US dollar, we had that sell at the top. We had the buy at the bottom. Okay, if I was trading a larger account, I would normally just fix a 10 pip stop loss, 10, 15, 20 pip take profit, and that is fine. Okay, it gives me as well more space to take trades on other currency pairs. Because I was trading a small £100 trading account, it's basically all or nothing. Okay, that is it. Okay, it's just basically all or nothing. You know, if you want to build your account up and you want to compound it, obviously you've got to take that kind of high risk, especially with a small account, because if you're trading currency pairs, it just isn't going to work. Okay, as you see here, currency pairs just wasn't giving me the pips and profit that I needed, so I had to up the level and the risk and trade gold. Obviously with gold, you've got to extremely monitor the trade. Like, give an example here, you know, I managed to get a nice few pips out of it as the price closed below the TCA line. Okay, if I was trading a larger account, I'll just be like, okay, well, there's my stop loss, there's my take profit. It is what it is. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that trading session. My name is Jamie Palmer, and thank you for watching.
Hey folks, ever wonder what broker I use? Well, I use Hanko Trade. It was a no-brainer because I was looking for a broker with good trading conditions and one that wouldn't restrict my leverage. Now, by joining Hanko Trade, I've also cut down my trading costs significantly with their super low commission of just $1 per 100K. You can learn more at hankotrade.com or just click the link I've put in the description. Alright folks, there you have it. He was a little shy of doubling the account, but hey, at least he ended up with a profit, and hopefully you guys learned a thing or 10 along the way. Now, if you do want to get access to the indicator he was using on the show, then there's a link below the video. You're also going to see his previous interview and the other video that we shot where he showed you how he'd done 585 trades in a row without losing. So guys, that's all over there under the video. There's a link, and do remember, whilst you're there heading around, click on that subscribe, click on that like, and click on that notifications bell. Then click all so you don't miss any videos like this in the future. All right, folks, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.